Oh my monster, I hate cleaning up!
Quit complaining and keep cleaning!
Ugh. Ugh. Why is there bugs everywhere? Ouch!
Huh? What's wrong, Zombie?
Oh my monster, a bug bit me, look! Oh, what am I gonna do? I look so ugly!
Don't worry, Zombie, I can help you.
To get rid of mosquito bites, all we need is chamomile tea. First, take the tea bag out. Put it in a pot and add hot water. Just wait 15 minutes, then take the tea bag out. Carefully apply it into the mosquito bite. The tea can reduce inflammation and speed up healing.
Just do this 3 times a day for 2 days and you should feel better.
Oh wow, my nose is all better. Thank you, Ghost Lady.
No problem, Zombie. Now help me clean up.
Okay. I love spicy noodles.
Zombie made noodles and didn't invite me? Zombie, you're still sitting here? Frankenstein, your favorite singer's outside.
What? Really?
Yeah, hurry, you might miss him.
Oh my monster, give me my idol now.
Yeah, and now I can eat your noodles.
Oh my monster, it's so hot! What happened, Ghost Lady?
It's hot! This noodle burned my mouth!
What? You ate my spicy noodle? That's what you get.
I'm so sorry, but can you please help me? It's hot!
Okay, it's really easy to treat a burn. All you need is honey and a spoon. First, pour out some honey into the spoon. Then, you just need to eat it. The honey will absorb the oils, making your mouth spicy. Do it for 5 minutes and the burning will be gone.
Wow, you're right! My burning is gone! Thank you!
No problem, but next time don't eat my food.
Okay, here. Thank you! Sit down, come on! Okay. Look careful, they're spicy!
Yeah, I know.
Do you want me to feed you?
Oh. Is my oatmeal done, Ghost Lady? I'm so hungry.
Just give me a few minutes, I still have to cut the apple! Hurry!
Huh? What's going on, Ghost Lady?
Oh, I accidentally cut my finger! What am I gonna do?
Don't worry, Ghost Lady. To treat your problem, all you need is lavender oil. When you have a small cut, just apply lavender oil on it. It will cut down on pain and keep infections away. Next, use a band-aid to cover the cut. Redo it 3 times a day. In 2 days, you'll feel better.
Wow, thank you, Zombie! My finger's okay now!
No problem, but can you make me the oatmeal now? I'm so hungry.
No problem, coming right up!
Thank you. Ghost Lady, you have a package!
I'm busy, can you just leave it there for me?
No problem, Ghost Lady. Oh, my arm!
Huh? Are you okay, Zombie?
No, I'm not. I have a scrape. Look.
Don't worry, Zombie. I can help you. Magic! To treat your scrape, all you need is a cotton ball and coconut oil. Use a cotton ball to grab some coconut oil. Then carefully apply it on the scrape. The coconut oil can reduce infection and moisturize the scrape. Just do it 2 times a day for a week and you should feel better.
Wow, my scrape is all gone. Thank you, Ghost Lady.
No problem. Can you help me to organize the boxes? I'll check them later.
Okay. Oh, my monster! There's a nail in my hand! Help me! Help me!
What happened to your hand?
There's a nail through my hand. It hurts!
Oh, my monster! You have to go to the monster hospital right now! Let's go! Let's go!
Huh? Why are you laughing? Sorry, but I got you. Look! It's just a fake nail!
Are you kidding me? You scared me!
Sorry, I just pranked you!
Zombie, it looked so real! Can you teach me how to do it? I want to try Frankenstein!
Making this fake nail is easy. Let me show you. To make the nail through hand, first add eyelash glue onto the fake nail. Then I'll attach it to your hand. For the next step, you need a Q-tip. Use it to take some scab blood for a scarier effect. Now apply it to the base of the nail.
Wow, it looks so scary! Thank you, Zombie!
No problem. Now let's go scare Frankenstein.
Yeah!
Oh, it's so high. How can I reach it? Ow! Oh, it hurts so much.
Zombie, what's wrong? I heard something fall!
I tried to take the decoration and it hit my arm. Now I have a bruise. What am I gonna do?
Zombie, I've already told you to be careful and use a ladder. But don't worry, I'll help you.
Yes, please. It hurts so much.
Zombie, all you need is toothpaste.
What?
Yeah! Apply toothpaste onto the bruise. The Toothpaste helps to break up clots and increases blood flow to the bruised area, reducing swelling. Leave it for an hour, then wipe it off and repeat for 2 days and your bruise will be gone.
Wow, thank you, Ghost Lady. My bruise is gone.
No problem, but remember to use the ladder.
Okay. Ghost Lady! Where are you? Ghost Lady!
Zombie, I'm here!
Oh, found you! I spent all day looking for you! Oh, my arm is so itchy!
Oh my monster, I've been here the whole time. What happened to your arm?
I don't know. I think it's a rash from one of the trees.
You always have a problem, but I can treat it easy with apple cider vinegar.
What?
You just need to apply the apple cider vinegar onto the rash. The properties in apple cider vinegar reduce inflammation. Apply it 3 times per day and the rash will be gone.
Wow, thank you, Ghost Lady. My rash is gone.
No problem, Zombie. Now let's go meet Frankenstein.
Okay. Hey, Ghost Lady, are you ready for the monster party?
Yes, I'm always ready.
Wait, hold on. Your teeth look so gross.
Excuse me? Are you serious? My teeth look so good. Look.
I'm serious. You can use a mirror to check.
Oh, my teeth are so green and gross. What am I gonna do? I can't go out with these teeth.
Don't worry, Ghost Lady. I know what to do. To clean your teeth, all you need is 1 banana. First, peel the banana. Now, I'll eat it.
What? Are you serious? How are you gonna treat my teeth?
Don't worry, Ghost Lady. You don't need the banana. You just need the banana peel. The citric acid in the peel will help whiten your teeth. Do it every day for 1 week and you'll have bright teeth like mine.
Wow, Zombie, my teeth are so bright now. Thank you.
No problem. Now let's go to the party.
Okay. Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.